light up the earth, you light up my life.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing my nighttime routine on how I get ready for the next day. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed, please push the subscribe button down below and then the notification bell down below so that each time I upload a new video you will be notified. And thanks for watching. Leave your thoughts and comment down below and let's get started. Okay, so first I'm going to start by washing my hair. I'm going to start by taking off this bun. Don't make fun of me. I don't have no hair here. Now I'm gonna start by removing this gel that I put on my edges. So I'm gonna start by using this Casco makeup remover.
Just like the sun, light up the earth, you light up my life. The only one I ever see with a smile so bright. Hey, and just yesterday you came around.
Now I'm gonna use Aveeno Aveeno makeup remover to remove my makeup. Yeah, I just recently started using Aveeno product because I'm dealing with hyperpigmentation and blemishes and all the stuff. So that's why I'm just trying all kinds of products, whatever works, you know. And this is my first week of this new product I'll be featuring on this video today. So yeah, Aveeno happens to work a little bit for me. Every other makeup remover tends to burn my face, but since I started using this Aveeno makeup remover, it's okay. It's not that bad. It's not too harsh, you know.
With your astonishing beauty, oh, you couldn't make a brother sing. No ordinary thing, a supernatural being. And no, you are brighter than the moon, brighter than the star. I love you just the way you are. And you are my African queen, the girl of my dreams. You take me where I've never been, yeah. You make my heart go ding-a-ling-a-ling.
Makeup remover, my face would have been burning right now like hell, really. So this happens to work for my sensitive skin. It doesn't burn me like the other. I just recently started this Aveeno makeup remover and it's really working. All the products has been really helpful to me, you know. As you all know, I'm struggling with acne and other stuff, so I've been able to control my acne and I end up with pigmentation. So right now I am trying to get my skin corrected, you know. Yeah. That's why I use two of makeup remover to get this up. Okay, so now I'm gonna wash my hand. So now my face is a little bit dim. Okay, my holy grail. So this is Aveeno Clear Complexion Daily Cleansing Pad. I just recently started using this Aveeno pad. I only use this pad whenever I have a makeup on. Like today, it exfoliates skin. So I'm gonna use one tonight because I just removed my makeup. Each time I put on makeup, whenever I put on makeup, I always use this Aveeno to scrub my face so that all the makeup will be gone. So on this pad, it's got two sides. One side is very rough and the other side is very soft. So I'm gonna be using the rough side.
The girl of my dreams, you take me where I've never been, yeah. You make my heart go ding-a-ling-a-ling. Oh, you are my African queen.
You can see the dirt. You can see the dirt right now. And I'm gonna use this soft side on my eyes.
You remind me of a thing, and that is the African beauty. Yeah, yeah. Ooh, you are my African queen. Oh, You stand as one, the outstanding one.
Okay, so now that I've rinsed my face, I also like to use this Aveeno Positively Radiant for Skin Brightening Daily Scrub. Just a little bit. It's a very gentle scrub. It's good for sensitive skin like my skin. Very sensitive. So I just go, massage in a slow motion. You want to try to remove all your makeup before you go to bed.
And that is the African beauty. Hey, yeah. Ooh, you are my African queen. Oh, Lord, ooh, Lord. Out of a million, you stand as one. Day I'll stand.
Aveeno Clear Complexion For Me Cleanser. Daily cleanser. So I'm going to be using just to finish cleaning whatever that is left, if there is any. Just a little bit of for me. Just this. Now this is my nighttime routine, and this I'll do this when I have makeup on my face. Try to clean a lot. Like in the morning, my routine is very simple. It's just the daily scrub, and then the foaming cleanser, and that's it for in the morning. And also whenever I don't have no makeup on, I just do the simple cleanse. Alright. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it out.
Hey, yeah. Ooh, you are my African queen. Oh, Lord, ooh, Lord. Out of a million, you stand as one, the outstanding one. I look into your eyes, girl, what I see is paradise. Hey, you captivated my soul. Now every day I want you more. Now I cannot deny this feeling I'm feeling inside. Hey, no one cannot take your place. They cannot take your space. That is a fact I cannot erase. And no, you are the one that makes.
Been up to a week since I've been using this Aveeno product, and I've seen a great result so far. My blemishes, they are fading away. The reason why I have this much blemishes was because my last chemical peel that I did, I kind of had a chemical burn. So, yeah, that was bad. Okay, so now that my face is still wet and damp, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my makari serum. I'm gonna put it all over my face, just to pump off this makari serum. The reason why I like to use this, I used to use this twice a day, but it's very, very oily. I still use it twice a day because it's oily, and the the Aveeno product, it's very drying for it. It controls your oil, which is really, really good. This serum helps control your, help with your under eye, lighten your under eye, and get rid of wrinkle and other stuff. So I've been using the serum for like quite a long time now, since 2013. I've been using this serum, and it's really, really working. So while this serum is sitting in, I'll go ahead and just clean up my nose with just Q-tips.
Standing one, I look into your eyes, girl. What I see is paradise. Hey, you captivated my soul. Now every day I want you more. Now I cannot deny this feeling I'm feeling inside. Hey, no one cannot take your place. They cannot take your space. That is a fact I cannot erase. And no, you are the one that makes me smile, make me float like a boat upon the Nile. Girl, you are my African queen.
I'm going to be using Aveeno Clear Complexion Daily Moisturizer with salicylic acne treatment. So this salicylic acid actually dry up your face, it dry up your pimples, it help prevent breakout. So that's why you need the oil if you don't want your face to be too dry during the day or during the night. So that's why I really appreciate this makari serum, because it's very oily. So I'm gonna put just 2 pumps there. My face feels so soft.
I look into your eyes, girl. What I see is paradise. Hey, you captivated my soul. Now every day I want you more. Now I cannot deny this feeling I'm feeling inside.
Now a little bit of upcoming bump, a little bit. So I've been using Differin Gel. I used to put Differin Gel all over my face, but I don't do that no more. I just do a spot treat. So that's what I do now. And it really works. Just dab it. Just rub it on it. This one was really big before. It has dried it out. So the combination really worked together. Good, you know. This one used to be so huge, but that's faded away. This one here. This is the side of my cell phone. I found out that my cell phone actually gives me a breakout, so I started sanitizing my cell phone now. You know, to avoid getting bacteria into my system. Spot treating. And of course, I'm not gonna forget my lip. I'm using a Revlon lip gloss. Revlon lip gloss on my lip. Very moisturizing. I find that each time I use a beauty supply lip gloss, I get breakout and all this stuff. So since I've been using this Revlon lip gloss, it has been really helping preventing my breakout. If you have a sensitive skin, you should stay away from beauty supply product. They're not good for you. Believe me, they're not good. Okay, that's the end of today's video, and all the products that I used today will be linked in the description box. And give it a thumbs up if this video was helpful, and don't forget to leave your talk down below in the comment section. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. See you again on my next video. Good night.
Now every day I want you more. Now I cannot deny this feeling I'm feeling inside. Hey, no one cannot take your place. They cannot cannot take your space. That is a fact I cannot erase. And no, you are the one that makes me smile.